case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark Supreme Court case in 1979, Great Atlantic and Pacific Tea Company, A&P, was called into question for potentially violating the Clayton Act. The supermarket's dealings around private label milk supply with the food and dairy company Borden sparked controversy, raising eyebrows at the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. The FTC believed A&P coaxed Borden into providing a more favorable deal than normal, thus manipulating milk prices in a way that misled others. A&P, seeking a more lucrative contract, decided to switch from selling brand label milk to private label milk. To make this happen, it sought cost savings from Borden for supplying over 200 A&P stores with private label milk. Borden agreed on a discounted price, citing cost savings through limited delivery services, which it suggested would save A&P an annual sum of $410,000. Yet this deal did not quench A&P's thirst for savings. It sought out additional offers, finding a more competitive bid from Bowman Dairy. A&P challenged Borden with the competitor's offer, prompting Borden to provide a further $50,000 saving on the deal. This drew the suspicion of the FTC, who argued that A&P's actions constituted price manipulation and led them into the courtroom. A lower court ruled in favor of the FTC, labeling A&P guilty, a judgment that A&P quickly appealed against. Upon re-examination of the case, the Supreme Court saw things differently. In contrast to the lower court's ruling, the Supreme Court majority opinion, penned by Justice Stewart, ruled that a buyer such as A&P could not be held liable for violations of Section 2(f) of the Robinson-Patman Act if a seller, in this case Borden, had a legitimate defense protecting them from liability. Justice Stevens, however, did not participate in the case. The case serves as a significant addition to antitrust law, clarifying the roles of buyers and sellers in price negotiations and firmly establishing the conditions in which a buyer is shielded from liability in matters of price discrimination.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.